guys, this is Mirsa with WTI, and I wanted to share with you my favorite item in my office, which is my Nulaxy stand. Enjoyed it a lot is because it has helped with my posture. My laptop used to sit flat on my desk and I used to look down a lot. Now my eyesight is straight forward, so it relieves a lot of my neck pain and upper back. I no longer have that. I also like the fact that it's very sturdy, even though it's very easy to assemble. It comes in 3 pieces, but once it's put together, it does not move. I also like the fact that it has these grips at the bottom, so it keeps your laptop in that same spot that you leave it. Even if I'm typing, it does not move my laptop around. It's very sturdy, but I also like that it's not bulky. And another thing that I've enjoyed very much is that it's very portable. You can move it around. You can take it to any area of your house if you want to work in the kitchen. It's very easy to take with you, and for that I have enjoyed it a lot, and this was my point of view.